Hi, my name is Nancy Soames, and I want to thank you for joining me in growing your book of business through small businesses and why it is important. This training aligns with our strategic pillars and behaviors. We want to win on small businesses by attracting the self-employed and micro business owners to H&R Block through small business tax expertise and great service with solutions to meet their changing needs. Small business clients have different needs than traditional individual return clients, as in they may require to make estimated quarterly payments. They may need more detailed tax planning services. Touch points may be needed throughout the tax year. The question I have for you is, why are we a good choice for small business clients? Well, we specialize in taxes. It's who we are and what we do. We can explain tax implications better than any other company. We are a year-round company. We can partner with these clients and plan with them year-round. We don't close our doors on April the 15th. We have all the tools and resources to meet their needs. A client journey starts with setting and preparing for an appointment, then visiting an office, and finally completing the tax return. This is a basic client journey for all of our clients. Currently, we do very little to differentiate between a Schedule C small business owner and a personal income client. In order to meet the needs, we've tailored each step of the client experience from hello to goodbye to ensure we distinguish the small business owners from the personal income tax return client. At each step, we want to deliver a unique difference for the small business owner because if we do not shift the experience from our small business owners, we cannot win on small businesses and grow through small business tax expertise and referrals. Setting the appointment. New client matching questions to identify small business clients. Added small business identifier on client appointments and appointment manager. We have special matching questions to better speak to our small business owners. The questions are worded in a way to better partner small business clients to the right tax professional. We are providing examples to help the client and the tax associate identify if the client is a small business owner. Again, enabling self-selection and confidence of the matched expertise to support their unique needs. This is important to the client experience, as the client can self-identify and feel comfortable that they are being paired with the right expertise. To differentiate a client journey, we need to identify our small business clients. All prior year Schedule C clients and new self-employed clients will be quickly identified on Appointment Manager with our new small business indicator. This icon will provide many uses, including being able to identify the client as a small business owner and for conducting white glove service calls. Appointment readiness. We're going to walk through the appointment readiness details and how we prepare our clients. Clients will receive specialized small business checklist. New small business clients receive white glove service with the confirmation call. The small business checklist can be delivered through text or email based on the client's communication preferences. New client white glove confirmation calls. We are going to be conducting effective confirmation calls for all new small business clients, ensuring the client feels welcome and ready for the upcoming appointment. This is key to building the relationship with the small business owner. The small business owner will likely need several touch points throughout the year. Providing your white glove service starts this relationship on the right foot. The conference call needs to include these 5 points on the slide. Who we are and our expertise, that we are going to handle a complex situation and work through all the steps with our clients, and that we have tools and options to help so they don't have to wait to get to the office to share information or documents. We want to encourage clients to create a MyBlock account. The features are uploading documents, secure messaging, and year-round access. We want to provide instructions as needed on how to set this up. We want to add notes to the appointment manager to track your client's interest in MyBlock, the digital drop-off, or other client needs. This will also ensure their tax preparer sees any information, concerns, or preferences the small business owner may give you. And it also allows the leaders to confirm that the client has received the call. If a client chooses an appointment readiness consultation, let's just see how that's handled. Do not skip making these calls. This is an opportunity to distinguish a small business owner's journey and to demonstrate our expertise. We want to check for calls daily. This is an opportunity to welcome and demonstrate expertise to our small business clients. We want to prepare for the call by reviewing any notes in Appointment Manager, as well as prior year tax returns if a prior client. Use the new prior client scripts provided in Inkling, and remember to add notes in Appointment Manager based on the conversation with the client. Now, let's discuss another way we will be able to provide these small business clients with a unique, tailored experience. The Tax Pro actions. We are to review the Appointment Manager daily to make confirmation and consultation calls. We need to know the small business checklist, know the appointment readiness script, enter notes into Appointment Manager. Arrive at the office. Be sure to review the new client entity sheets and be prepared to speak to clients' questions around pricing, because we're going to provide upfront, transparent pricing specific to the Schedule C and entity clients. We're going to show you how we provide greater accuracy and provide better explanations in the process during the completed return. Greater accuracy and efficiency in return preparation, better questions and explanations for our Schedule C clients. We're going to gain consent to be able to offer small businesses services in the future. This is not meant to be a tax training lesson, but rather how you can get some help for the work you do. Review your BlockWorks update session for more details on these enhancements. A Schedule C interview badge will be available in January. As we continue to evolve our services to meet clients' needs, the Form 7216 consent will enable us to better meet the unique needs of your small business clients. The Form 7216 consent is for personalized services. Gaining consent is a benefit to your client. It allows us to offer and support small business clients through multiple services. It now builds a foundation for future and communication services. Clients' information remains secure. Tax Pro actions. Complete the A Better BlockWorks for TS20 course. Check out the new Schedule C interview skills badge available in January. Understand the client value of Form 7216 and seek to obtain consent from all of our clients. Tax planning. We're going to go through some processes with tax planning for small business owners. We're going to provide small business clients a profit and loss statement created from the tax return. Tax professional reviews small business specific tax tips. The profit and loss talking points. An income summary profit and loss statement is now created from the small business client's tax return in BlockWorks. Many of our clients can understand this document better than trying to interpret their Schedule C. This will prove to be an amazing tool for us in providing our small business clients with the white glove level of service they deserve to receive in our office. Why is this important? To ensure we differentiate the experience to our small business owners. We can use this P&L statement as an opportunity to provide small business advice, demonstrate our expertise, and we can have more in-depth conversations with our clients, treating them differently than in prior years. We want to ensure the client is confident all revenue and expenses were captured. We want to be able to provide examples of ways a client may want to use the P&L statement. We want to listen for concerns or needs and discuss potential additional services. Some talking points would be, does the income on this statement reflect the total income for your business for the tax year? What about the expenses? Did we account for all the expenses you had for your business? Have you ever leveraged a P&L for your business before? This is a snapshot of your business's performance, making everyday business decisions moving forward. It's a benchmark for next year's result, a proof of results of a capital gain or a loan. What is the goal for your business for 2020? Do you have questions concerning your P&L that I can address with you at this time? These are just several examples of talking points. BlockWorks enhancements have been made for small business tax returns. Remember to pay special attention to this information when you complete a Better BlockWorks for TS20 and begin working in the BlockWorks this season. Review tax tips for the small business. This is another opportunity to demonstrate expertise, individual attention, and more in-depth conversation while differentiating the client experience for the small business owner. Start now designing your plan on how you will approach this differently in tax season 2020. These are the key steps to differentiate our client journey to the small business client. Complete a Better BlockWorks TS20 course. Review the P&L talking points in Inkling. Ensure you review the P&L statement with your small business clients, covering the 3 talking points. Ensure you review the small business specific tax tips with the client, and use these new tools to have a more in-depth, personalized small business client conversation. We don't end the service with the filed return. Let's talk about what happens next for the client. We're going to provide quarterly estimated payment guidelines to clients. We're going to show them how they have access to small business resources and reminders through MyBlock. Our purpose with this in-depth review of the quarterly vouchers and the discussion around them is to ensure that our small business clients are, number one, submitting the correct amount for quarterly payments to ensure there's no surprises at the tax desk during next year's tax preparation appointment. And two, that they understand when each payment is due and the importance of submitting these estimated payments in a timely manner. And third, know how to pay. If they need assistance, log on to the IRS website and walk them through the steps. A quarterly reminder email will be sent to the client to provide guidance for making their payment. Year-round access to small business resources are now available in their MyBlock account. The appearance of small business screen on hnrblock.com and MyBlock will likely change before and during the tax season. So I have a question, why is year-round access to small business resources important to your client? We have a financial service partner, Wave. It's a reliable and secure financial software and services for small business owners. Our tax experts will provide the best possible tax outcome year after year. Small businesses do not stop on April the 15th. We will identify ways for the business to grow through our Small Business Plus services, and we have the best finance and accounting tools for small business growth. Assisting with the MyBlock account setups. Inform and assist your clients in the advantages of setting up their MyBlock account. Educate the client regarding invitation emails and how to follow the instructions. Describe the resources available in MyBlock once the account is set up. For example, the consent to access the digital copies of the tax return. Now, let's go over a summary of what we've talked about this far. Set the appointment. There's going to be matching question updates. There's going to be a new small business icon. The appointment readiness. This is where we're going to go over the small business checklist. We're going to give our clients the white glove service. And this is where we're going to have TP readiness consultations. Arrive at the office. This is where we're going to sit down with our clients and go over the entity pricing sheets. Complete the return. This is going to go the Schedule K1, the QBID, the Schedule C badge, the Form 7216 consent. Tax planning. This is where the P&L statement and the small business specific tax tips. And then the post service, the quarterly tax reminders, MyBlock account, and online content. Remember that the expertise and care we provide using these tools and processes will help us grow our business and to serve these small business clients. How will you apply these new changes? What will you do differently? Do you think your prior Schedule C clients will notice a change? How will this change of service impact your existing clients and future clients? With these changes, will you be comfortable asking for a small business referral? Do you understand how these changes impact our winning on small businesses? Remember, the Schedule C badge comes down in January. The Form 7216 consent can be found in Inkling. And it's very important because it enables us to better meet the unique needs of our small business clients. Thank you for joining me today. I am excited about tax season 2020. I'm excited because I'm ready to impact our small business owners.